Alright, thank you everyone. Welcome back from the break. This is a cheat sheet that I prepared for you. It's an Instagram post. You can read through it. It takes you probably 3 to 5 minutes. Instead of save this for later, I thought of going through it with you because we rarely save stuff and go and actually see them to learn and practically use them. So better use it today, go through it once, especially at the beginning of using the app, the AI. It will help you structure your commands and your prompts from the get-go. So go through it. Let me know if you have any questions about any of it. Then I'll share with you my day.
Okay. Thì nó còn hai nhiêu nữa. Thế là lại chế cái gì mà đâu. Ai gì của wow. Cái gì nhiều. Đó thế cái này thì cái có nhiều con tôi đấy. Kia đi.
Any questions about the post? Any questions about the Instagram post? Slide number 2. Claude is a ChatGPT. We explain this. Number 3, new topic, new chat. Even if it's the same thing, but it doesn't relate to the context, you can start a new chat content and it uses less tokens. It shows you in slide 3 that the first token uses about 500. The first message uses about 500 tokens. By the time you are the 10th prompt, it's using 40 to 15,000 tokens. So it keeps reading from the first 500, 500, 500, and it's 40, 50,000 by the 10th prompt. So if you take that context, you say, in the last prompt you want to use, you say extract it into a file. Take that file as a context, put it into a new chat. You save on reading from 1. So it takes everything that it needs from a new chat, and it saves you on the token. ChatGPT, you don't have to worry so much about that. Slide 4, use Opus less. Opus is more for coding, it's for critical thinking, structure, big projects, engineers. So if it's not needed, go for the default, which is Sonnet. The current is Sonnet 4.6 we saw earlier. Projects versus chat files. This is really cool and important. If you have so many or more than one project you're working on, say you are a part-timer at a company and you're also a student, you have everything that has to do with student life and NT related in one project. All the files of the 6 modules you are learning is in the project, and it understands that if you are talking about part-time job, it's in a different project. So each project has a source file, and I'll show you in a bit how to use it. And one way to save on the chat tokens is by the end of the chat, you say extract everything you need from this chat to migrate it to a new chat. So it gives you a file at the end of your prompt along with whatever else you need. Download it, put it into a new chat, and that's a brand new chat, even within the same project. It saves that token, so it doesn't read from the beginning. And that file becomes a source file. You finish this semester in education, you move to the next semester, delete all the source files to new modules. So it has a new context. Delete from memory, all that, and move on to a new thing. Slide 6, stop waffling. ChatGPT, we use a lot of filler words and actually this and actually that. And instead of this, or sometimes typing and not even deleting, like, actually instead of that, do this. And there's 2-3 different things, so it has to go and read them. And that uses more token. So you can be concise, straight to the point, and it gives you more room later on in the project to use. So it saves some more tokens. 5 hours rolling windows is when you run out of tokens. My case with the 36 hours is the first of its kind, and that shows how much I've used it. And probably more than one employee were using it at the same time. So we burned through different 5 hours. 36 divided by 5 hours, I think probably 7 people were using it at the same time. So we all burned that window, and it affected the rest of the week. So it rolls every 5 hours. And batch questions, we already spoke about this. Number 9, which is this slide with the cheat sheet. And you can follow the lady that is a professional in cloud prompting. Moving on to the bonus part. Anyone takes notes during meeting minutes? If you go to a meeting, you take notes on the side. Try to remember all of them. So you think that they are so important, highlight